quick drive here. There's second. And they say third is a little harder. It wants to pop out sometimes, so let's try that. Yeah, you gotta really get it in there. And it still wants to pop out, so I put it back in fourth for now. So far though, it's driving really nice. Power steering is really smooth. I'm gonna try to go back in third here. I'm gonna go into second. Back into third. Yeah, third's doing good there. So far, alignment feels good. Yeah, that third is a little tricky. Yeah, it wants to pop out. You really gotta put it in there, and it still wants to pop out, so I'm going back to fourth. Besides that though, it drives great. Right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. This was a full-blown rotisserie style restoration. Absolutely gorgeous, in really, really good condition. This is a beautiful car inside and out, but we still wanna go panel by panel, interior, go take it for a drive and really inspect it. But just quickly looking at this car inside and out, undercarriage and all, you can tell it's an absolute beauty. Got the Krager's, gorgeous wheel, looks good. Here on the tires, those are two 35/60 15s. I don't see it. Oh, actually date code right here, 2022. Let's kind of take a peek in there. I know it's dark. Looking at that graphic. Roadrunner graphic going all the way down. So right here we do have a scratch about 1.5 inches long. It barely catches my nail. A little scratch right there, and then we have another one. And honestly, the way this looks, I feel like somebody tried to key this car, because it ends here, it kind of starts there, and there's another little piece here, so I feel like somebody just kind of and then went down it. That or somebody walked by and scratched it, but that does catch my nail. I know it's not going to focus on that. Now it's not in your face, but you have this one here, about 1 inch there, and then from here to there, deepest part being there. Got one chip right there. Top side looks good. All the chrome looks incredible. Weather stripping looks nice. All of that chrome looks really, really good. Another little scratch right there that catches your nail. This chrome looks amazing. Graphic looks good. 2 little chips there. I don't see any other scratches like I did on that fender. Day code 2021. Craigers look good. Nice and clean glass. This is a vinyl stripe. Little matte black overlay, looks good. Now this is rubbing a little bit right there. If you keep those on, I'd probably put a little PPF, paint protection film there. But it's just a little bit. Upper side looks good. Some light little surface scratches. Beautiful, beautiful front end. Try to get underneath it. Looking at the rest of that, looks awesome. Looks good, wheel looks amazing. Got a chip right there. Actually, nope. A little flaw in the paint there. Almost like a hard water spot or something. The rest of that looks good, nice and clean. Here's your glass, if you can see that. All the chrome looks good. See right there, there's a couple chips on that edge. This paint is gorgeous though. The reflection's beautiful. There's not a lot of orange peel. You can see the lighting looks good. Even getting in the corners. You can see all the attention to detail. They did a great job. Got the vinyl graphic on the back. That deck lid. Couple little marks there of some sort. All right, looking at the interior, seats look incredible. Beautiful color. Love all the little detail here. Looking at that door panel, looks amazing. Looking at the jambs, get up close here. Looks good. Nice and clean. Jam looks nice. Carpets look good. Like I said, seats look awesome. The steering wheel though does have a lot of chips and wear, and really it's the only piece of this interior that has any sign of wear. Everything else looks really, really good. No air conditioning, just a heater and a fan. That is a really cool shifter. Got the carbon in there. Super cool. Jams look incredible. Looks really nice. Looks good. Carpet's nice and clean. Plastic on here still. Seats look incredible. Kind of trying to lay them out here. All right, looking in here, nice and clean. Got a trickle charger. There's a book with some stuff in there. Car cover. Jams look good. Okay, we're going to scan through the engine bay. Really good. Batteries from 9 of 24.